Welcome to All About Cars. Today, we're exploring the 2025 Volkswagen Arteon, a luxury sedan that blends sophistication, power, and advanced technology. With a sleek new design, refined performance, and premium features, the Arteon is built for those who crave style and excitement on the road. The 2025 Arteon commands attention with its bold front grille, sharp LED headlights, and sculpted body lines. Its aerodynamic design enhances efficiency while maintaining a sporty and elegant stance. Whether cruising through city streets or on the open highway, this sedan makes a statement with its modern appeal. Under the hood, Volkswagen offers a range of powerful yet efficient engine options, ensuring smooth acceleration and dynamic performance. The advanced transmission system delivers quick and seamless shifts, while the adaptive suspension balances comfort and sportiness. Whether you're looking for a refined daily driver or a spirited performance sedan, the Arteon delivers on all fronts. Step inside, and you're greeted by a high-tech, luxurious cabin. Premium materials, a digital cockpit, and an advanced infotainment system create an immersive driving experience. The spacious interior offers comfortable seating, ambient lighting, and smart connectivity options, making every drive enjoyable and convenient. Volkswagen prioritizes safety with an array of cutting-edge driver assist features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system. Reinforced body construction and multiple airbags ensure maximum protection, giving drivers peace of mind in any driving condition. The 2025 Volkswagen Arteon redefines what a luxury sedan should be with its elegant design, exhilarating performance, and innovative technology. Are you ready to experience the next level of driving? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to All About Cars for more exciting updates on the latest automotive trends.